Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Which one is it? So don't have. So we had to get one made. Well, I guess we don't need none. So A we can have one, C A we can have one. Probably not. We don't need no twins. Yeah. That's what I'm saying now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's just get that one. Here looking for some doorknob. I need a doorknob on my back door. Well, it's not bad for 4 locks. 20 bucks. Oh, we need some filters, don't we? We need some filters. Is this our filters we use?
20 by 30.
Okay, 20 by 30. No, that's 20 by 20.
That one right
Which?
This one.
This one? Oh, nah, they crazy. $16 for 4 seal filters. Jesus.
Used to get a whole case.
Case for that much. Yeah.
How much is it?
Where's the case at?
These is 18.
18. Those bigger, ain't they?
No, it's 20 by 30.
Dang.
Well, what's the difference?
Look bigger.
How much is it?
Price. Probably have to go to Ace and buy a whole box.
Now, why did this say
$18.42 for 4 filters. Which one?
This say $6.28.
Is that the right size? 20. No, that's 16 by 20.
Oh, of course they don't have it.
Yeah. Of course, they're gonna be cheaper, $6.28.
Yeah, but still.
I mean, we used to get a whole box for less than $20 for 12.
It's the same brand. I think these.
You think they're in the wrong spot?
These are something. I think these is the need to go here.
Let me see. This is 18 4-pack, 20 by 26 or something. It's like 20 by 26. I can't read that.
Oh yeah, that's something else. But this is not. This is a 20 by 30.
So is it $6?
I don't know. It's gotta be.
Yeah. But these are smaller than they here.
They don't do price checks in there.
I know they used to have the machines around, but I don't see none. Cause these say 16 by 20. I don't see nobody work here either. Look at all the knives, box cutters. Had to go find somebody, I guess. I guess we have to go find somebody. Here at Walmart, getting an oil change and getting a lock for my back door. It done gave out, need a new one. Trying to find somebody to give a price on their filters. We used to buy a whole case for the price they are now. That's crazy. I'm gonna be right here at the oil. Yeah, I went to go to the oil change yesterday at my favorite place, Danny's Car Wash, where I always go. I've been going for the last 30 years. And they were talking about $120 for oil change, but the car wash is supposed to come with it free. That's why I like going there, because you get a car wash. I only paid like $40-something in the pack. But now, since we got a 2015, they talking about we need some synthetic oil. And he told me 120 something. But we came here to Walmart. Guess how much they said? $45. That's it, $45. The Danny's wanting over $100-something. Rip off. And at Walmart, they're giving us some synthetic oil too. So what's really going on? I don't know. You don't need no antifreeze or nothing? synthetic oil is only $33 at Walmart. The young people can change their oil on. But I don't think young people do that no more. They always call it AAA or going to the auto shop. It's crazy. But yeah. Here's the spray paint. Just walking around trying to kill some time. We've been here probably about 20 minutes. And they said about 45 minutes. So, today is Tuesday. Look at the cute little fishing pole. Look at that little kitty. It's so cute. I tried to go fishing one time when I moved to my house. It was fun. Look at that. They got all kind of fishing poles now for the kids. They got all kind of stuff to hook to the fishing pole. They got the handles for the fishing pole. Paw Patrol. They got a Paw Patrol 10. Oh, I need. How much is that? Probably $50. It don't have no price. But yeah, we're just here at Walmart waiting on the oil change. And that's that. I guess we'll run across the street to Ace Hardware and get some air filters. Hopefully we can get a whole box for that price that they want here. All kind of stuff for your cars. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, we're almost there. You gotta watch, replay, share. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday. But this will download on Wednesday. You stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye. Love you guys.